Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making little baby tiny pizzas. This is going to be, I think, a fun little recipe, and it's going to be super fast because, well, there's really nothing to bake. I am going to be doing these in the air fryer. I think they'll be super tasty. I think they're going to make a good little lunch. Let's get started. I have just a 6-pack of English muffins here that I'm going to cut in half as normal. I am going to make the entire package because this is basically our main lunch for today. We're a little busy working on a project over for our camping channel. Can't tell you what, you'll have to go over there and subscribe so you can find out what we're doing. Next, I'm just gonna put pizza sauce on each one of them. Spread that around pretty evenly on each one. That one's going to need a little bit more. Now I'm going to top each one with cheese. A nice, generous bit of cheese too. I am actually using a Colby Jack. Obviously, you could use mozzarella, and I would have, but I just didn't have that on hand, and really I didn't even think to grab mozzarella. I love a good Colby Jack, and I love all kinds of cheese on pizza, so I think this will be tasty. I am going to top with pepperoni. And I have these really huge pepperonis that I am going to put one single one on each. And I think that is the coolest thing ever. But you can use small pepperonis and just put, 3 or 4 or something on each one. You could also use other toppings if you wanted to. Maybe your favorite is a Canadian bacon or a beef of some sort, or even chicken. What is your favorite pizza toppings? Comment below and let me know. I would love to find out. I am hoping to get at least 3 into each one of my pans. Now, I did not grease these. I don't feel like it's really necessary since the English muffin is touching the bottom. Okay, so it's kind of a squeeze. I'll show you. But I did get 3 in there. I'm going to go ahead and load the other one, and I'll see you over at the air fryer. Turn my air fryer on. Got 6 going in, so it'll be a 2-batch process. I am going to put these on 375, and I'm going to change to 5 minutes, and I will check them about halfway through. Not for sure how long they need to go. Just need the English muffins to get nice and little crispy and the cheese to melt. Quick tip. If you're using these giant pepperonis, and possibly even the small ones, I'm not sure, they want to blow off in the air fryer. So I ended up using some toothpicks to hold them down. So I am going to go ahead and toothpick all of these before I even put them in. But half of these are now done already. It was pretty quick. It did take the full 5 minutes. This little guy got curly over here. So I'm going to get these in, and then we'll get this taste test going. There they are. 3 of them got a little dark, but they still look good. I put a Parmesan Romano grated on those. Jessie gonna taste them.
Good little pizzas.
Awesome. Thanks for watching. Happy eating.